Hello friends, in this video you will learn how to download WordPress on localhost using XAMPP server. If you are a beginner and you want to create your WordPress website, then this video will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. First of all, we need to download the XAMPP server. For that, let's come to the website apachefriends.org and download the XAMPP server according to your operating system. After download, just double click on the setup and let the setting as it is. Just click on next and let the installation process begin. After installation of XAMPP server, we need to download the WordPress. So let's come to the website wordpress.org and click here on get WordPress and simply click on download WordPress 6.4.2. This will give you a zip file of WordPress. Okay, so simply extract this zip file into the folder. Let all the files unzip in one folder. When the extract is complete, simply copy the folder from here, from downloads. Copy the folder, go to the local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs and paste the folder here. You can simply rename the folder according to your website. For example, I'm giving the name LMS, like Learning Management System. Before creating your website, we need to create a database for our website. So for that, open the XAMPP control panel, start Apache and MySQL. Just click on MySQL admin and this will automatically open the local host PHP myadmin tab and simply click on new. Just create the database for your website. So give the database name and click on create and the database will be created. Okay, so now go to Chrome and click and write localhost / your website name, your folder name / wp-admin and just click on enter button. So now when you see this setup, that means your installation process is almost good. Just click on continue. Before, select the language you want and click on continue. Let's go and give the database name you have created for your website. Like I've created my website and the username is always root because we are working on localhost. Let the setting as it is, run the installation process and give a title to your site. You can always change your site title at any time, but for now I'm giving it my website and give the username because this is my tutorial website. Because this is my tutorial website, so I'm giving the admin as a password and username. Click on install WordPress and the website will begin install. Okay, the website is completely created, so just log in by using your username and password. So this is your website dashboard. Just click on visit site and you will see your basic WordPress website. Congratulations, you have created your website and this is the look of your website. Basically this is 2020 theme. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and thumbs up for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.